Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Corpore Annie. Today we'll to see demo for the notifications tab on to redirect the specific screen. We need to see here with the backgrounds mode, foreground modes, and to test. Now let's start the coding. First of all, we need to set here the navigation screen globally. To write down here first of all globes key and to set here the navigation state, the final navigator write down that. Assign this key, save this, and we need to pass here the navigation key here. Need to save this. We need to assign this, and we need to need some modification inside the this screen. We need to print first of all the whole data here. We need to set here title for the only debug purposing. Background handler all here. Save this, and after we need to set here initialize message the new notifications. We need to print this all to display here. Set here the data. Already printed here the data to string, already printed here. And now we need to on listens we need to set here one condition because we need to local notification only configure for the Android, no need to iOS. Set here if platform Android, then we need to call this value, otherwise not call this thing because we not configure the iOS local notifications. That's why I need to set this flag here for only Android. Now we need to click here the open listener, so set here the and change this method open listener, set here is. After we need to go inside here, we need to configure. Need to first of all print here the whole data, and we need to modify this, and we need to convert into the JSON string, and we need to retrieve. If you use local notification, you can need to use here the string parameter always pass here, because that's why I need to convert this data inside the into string. Need to import first of all the JSON encode, and now this is the set here, and now need to print here the data, but payload need to, and we need to give here the title, and here to print here the notifications type equal to and to the notification which type the event fire here, and with to go definitions, copy this, put this. Now this data in convert here the payload JSONs to object, equal to, we need to deploy as we need to pass as a map optional, give the value here. JSONs dot record. This method is this bracket here, and to write down here the try cast, because maybe convert tab get the errors, that's why here the try catch error this. Now need to create here the one common functions. We need to open the flow, write down here the void open notifications, and we need to write down here the payload object, and we need to set here since functions need to, and with to one more configuration with to set here, if you app is the terminate and then the get this event not found the navigator keys, that's why I need to some delay and initialize the navigator key. After we need to fire this change screen event, to write here the bool value if initialize message and get this event. By default set as a false, and we need to check here if it's true, Then we need to set here some delay, features, delay, and set duration 3 seconds. Set here the 500. Set here const value and do this. If you app is terminate, we need to always need to this text, otherwise not open the redirection screen because we need to not found the this navigation key. This key not found, that's why I need to not redirect this screen. That's why I need to set here try catch first of all, and to print your error. Now we need to use here payload is empty, check here. Not empty. Then we need to check here the switch case. Let's switch page. And we need to check here the payload. Side we need to pass one parameter, the page as check here, string optional. Here. Now we need to set here two page configuration. First one is detail page, and then after data page we need to set here create two page. Now we need to create inside the view two page new files to write down here the detail dot set here. Now we need to create here the scaffold detail page. Need to stateful widget declare here, and we need to import first of all the material dependency here. Then after we need to write down here the data for the an object, and to pass here required is an object, and to write down here the scaffold pass here the F bar, create the center text true, and to set here the titles text inside you need to write here the detail view, and we need to set here the background color red, set here, and we need to set here the body, write down here the center text, and the child's the text, and to set here text but JSON string encode, and to write down here an object So what we need that here first, because we need to use here the stateful widget, and to access this property, save this. Now we need to copy this page and we need to create the duplicate as a data page, new file, w, and we need to put here, and we need to change this data view, and to set this title as a data view, and to set here the green screen. Let's save. Okay, now save. Need to create two different screens here for the testing. First one title as a green, and second one the title as a red. Red title as a detail page and green title for the data page. Need to set. Now we need to configure this UI E2. We need to first of all find out the navigation key. We need to use this key because we need to not access the direct context on this helper class. That's why I need to declare here the global navigation key, and we need to use the navigation key here, and we need to get the current state question marks optional, and we need to push the here screen. We need to create here the material routes, and to set here we need to write down here the detail view, and we need to pass this payload, and we need to put semicolons. Now this format done. Now we need to copy this and need to put here this value, and we need to change here the data view. Okay, now save, and we need to configure these functions. We need to call which place to call. First of all, we need to set here the main function. To if you background handle, you need to set here the background. If you this function didn't get event, you need to click here the open notifications, and we need to pass here the message data. Save this. Then after we need to another configuration, we need to set here the initialize message. We need to pass here flag as a true to create here the open notifications. We need to pass here the message dot data, and you need to here active the initialize flag, initialize message true. You need to some delay because you need to not assign here the open. To set this, and now if you listen this message, we need to not configure because we need to here get only the listens. Need to configure here the if not nulls, need to open, notifications payloads. We need to write down here the message dot data. Is the Firebase inside the listener method inside to me to put open the notification. Now we need to set inside the local notification. Click on event. We need to set here. We need to set here this data. First of all, we need to set here this payload. Copy this. Need to write down here one notifications and need to write payload object. Save this. Now we need to copy and to paste here, and background we need to already configure here this handler inside, and we need to change this title to okay. Now save this and save here. Now need to run this app inside the Android. And now we need to prepare the JSONs for the here, and this place we need to set here the this configuration. Open the this data get here this page to verify the which screen open. Need to pass this here the details. Otherwise set here data to open the data screen. You set here detail, then open detail screen, and others else not pass this value, so not any operation performs here on the open, because need to know any that here the operation in the defaults, that's why not working here. Now I am waiting for the run inside the Android this app. And here test 3 case run app with the test push notification tab. After the background inside the set, and to tab on the notifications check, and then after me to test the terminal, close this app, terminate app, and then after me to fire push notification and test these notifications. Okay, now run this Android apps. We need to test first of all the push. Need to set here the push data. Need to set data inside the any type of you pass here data. You need to type into set here which screen open. The screen name need to set here the details. Then to configure this detail page. You can need to change this. You change the tab screen, so you can change here the name. Now app is ready for the run. Now need to test fire one push detail screen. Need to tab here, automatically open the detail screen here, and need to close. Now need to change the screen here to data, and need to set again. Now need to receive the push, and need to tab on the notifications. Now open the data page to display. Now need to set in background this app. Now set in the background app, and need to fire this push Now click on tab this. Need to first of all close this screen, and now set the background. After need to test. Now need to send this push here. Okay, now push are the sended. Need to open. Click on tab this push. Open here the data view. Now this the back. Put this fire again, and need to check here the Firebase console inside. Open here. And to tab here. Now open the detail screen here. Okay, now need to terminate this app. Need to terminate. Yep. Now no any recent app view, and need to fire this push to send here. And now we need to receive the push, and need to open this. And need to write down. Okay, now open the data view. This screen are the working with the terminate app. Now I am test inside the iPhones. I need to close the emulator, and let's start the install the iOS inside the app install done, and need to start the share screen recording on my device, and need to start the device recording, and to open this push app here, and we need to set here the token iPhone token. Need to pass here, and need to set here the detail screen as a pass in push. Now send the push notifications in my device, my receive in my device. Inside need to tap this screen and open the detail screens. Now need to change this screen here, the data screen need to set here. Now to close this screen, and now fire the push, and need to receive here and open the data screen. Now need to remove here the any data screen not pass. Then need to what operation perform here, need to send again, and need to receive push and click, but not open the any screen because we need to not set here the coding inside the push notifications. That's why not the open any screens. And let's need to set here the data screen need to set, and need to set in the background this app. And now need to fire this push, and need to test open with the data screen. Now need to terminate this app, and need to test again this push fire and working with the open the data screen. Now need to change this screen to terminate this app, to set here the detail screen, and need to change this message hi need to set here, and need to fire this push. Now receive, and need to set here, and need to set here the high device push data to get here. And this is the open the detail screen. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you new user, to please subscribe my channels and press notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notifications. If you question, to please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.